Hello friends. Okay, so I'm gonna go over my adventure EDC. Need a fixed blade. Adventure means four-wheeling, fishing, hunting, anything. So, need a good fixed blade. It's good for camping, anything. Spreading butter on your toast to cutting the head off a stinky old pickerel. Anyway, so this is the Line Steel M2. It has D2 steel, which is a little bit rusted. I'll wipe it off of my pants. See, it's got rust on it. I was kind of pissed when I found out it would rust that easily, but oh well, whatever. It holds an edge really well. Obviously, D2 steel's good for that. I just like the size of it. I have pretty big mitts, so my hand probably doesn't fit perfectly on it, but I still like it. It's good. I can do intricate work, shave stuff, anything. It's good. So there's that fixed blade. Obviously, I need pliers. I've committed to having pliers on my person at all times. So this is just a Leatherman Waves, simple. Sorry, one-handed. Leatherman Wave. Probably my favorite Leatherman. That'll cover you. If you want to buy one, just buy the Leatherman Wave. It's a little heavy, but it's perfect. Okay, so I'll carry that'll cover me for tools. This light is a 4.7's what would you call it? Quark Pro QP2LX or something like that. Oh yeah, right there. It's super bright. It has all the functions. Moonlight, very effective. Low, medium, high, bright. And then if you turn this bezel, you activate another mode, which is super bright and strobe. It's kick-ass. I recommend that so much. For fire, I'll usually carry one of these just because I like them. They're classic design. I got a little bit of electrical tape around there. If I slice my finger open, I need to tape it up. I don't know. That's just... I was going to try to make a seal around here that I could slide up and down, but it wouldn't work. It would just stuck on the bottom. So I said, bring it. I like it where it is. A pen. I'll always carry a pen. I carry these shitty Bics because I used to carry a space pen, but I lost it and I was upset. And when I lose these, I don't care. So it's a good design. So everyday carry for outside adventures is a fixed blade. Leatherman rides in the sheath next to the fixed blade. This rides there, so all these things are on my right side. I can access them quickly. Pen in the pocket, lighter, you're good to go. I'll make another video for my city carry. This is a, well, I'll do it now. This is a Foltz Minimalist it's a reproduction by Sierra KT. I freaking love this thing. I don't really like carrying 3 knives on me. I think it feels a little bit excessive, but I really like carrying this. So sometimes I will. Sometimes I'll carry the multi-tool, fixed blade, and even wear this. And it's because if I take my shorts off to go swimming or something when I'm swimming and, or doing something like that, water sport, I always keep this around my neck, and I always have a knife, and I just feel like it's a good idea to keep one. I have a dog, so if you get caught up in the line or something, I feel like I would want a knife. And I just like knives. This is my backup flashlight. For this is takes the 3-volt batteries. This takes just a AA. It's a Quark QPA. Has all the same functions, just not quite as bright. Still bright. Still very bright. Moonlight, low, medium, high, and then so on. This is good because it's a little bit shorter And it's just a good backup. Takes a different type of batteries, so if I, for whatever reason, lose this or don't have enough batteries, which is not the case because I carry a whole shit ton in that thing. That's my kind of go everywhere bag. It's got toilet paper, bug spray, sunscreen, rope, chargers for cell phones, a bunch of rigging. I keep a down jacket tied to it now because Eddie Murphy showed me these jackets from Costco. They're cheap and stuff, so they're good. Okay. So I'll cover this. This is a Spyderco, which one is this? Spyderco Xenofonte. It's a wicked fixed blade, really sharp. Just handy. There's my name, because I write it on everything, because I'm an idiot and I lose things. Super good knife. You can't take it apart to clean it or anything, but it still seems to open really well. Oh yeah, of course. So there's that. When I carry this, I will tend to carry a smaller Leatherman at work, or sometimes I'll wear it around in the summertime in shorts or something, but I'm really taking a liking to this. This is the S2 Leatherman Squirt S2. It's got all the knives and pliers and scissors, flatheads, wicked tool, super nice. Carry those two together, and if I want to go lightweight, I'll take the QPA with a AA battery, and the pen, and the lighter always has to go. That would be like a in-town carry if I want to carry something different. This is like my robust hunting kind of setup, like prepared for everything type of deal. And my keys. Sometimes people like looking at keys. There's nothing specific on here except for in this little bottle. If I can get it open. This has some of the information that I want to keep, or pictures that I really don't want to lose. It's one of these little USB type of rigs. I have an Android phone, so I can plug it into the bottom of the Android and upload things to my phone. 64 gigs, which is incredible because it's like the size of my fingertip these days. So that's the only interesting thing I keep in my keys. So, if you have any questions about any of this shit, just leave a comment. There's my dirty old wallet. Not that anybody cares. It's like 100 years old. It's pretty chunky. I need a new one. There you go. There's a bunch of options to add to your carry.